Okay, so first of all, introduce yourself for me.
My name is Abel Downfoot, attorney at law for Rytikal, Ryan McFarlane.
Yeah, man, see that? Abel, attorney. Yeah, man, hype, man.
And of course, this is a very good moment right now for Rytikal. Talk to us about exactly what just happened in the court.
So, the case has been concluded. He was found not guilty of all charges, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. He has always maintained that he was innocent, and today, with the work of the Lord and our hard work, he was acquitted and vindicated and proven not guilty.
So sir, how are you feeling in this moment? What do you have to say to your fans, to your well-wishers?
Well, me have to say to my fans, much respect to my lawyer.
Yeah.
Much respect to my lawyer. And for all who believe in me and give me that word of prayer and support the movement, much love, much respect. Me didn't need it, you understand? But me free.
Yeah.
What is free? Me feel good. That is it.
Alright, so where do you go from here?
Well, it's not changing. Remember purity. Not change, man. Me just have to continue that part. That is the part that has set me free. Purity. So a purity from now and forever. You understand?
Alright. Your words, sir, final words.
So he's going to turn tragedy into triumph. He has been through a lot and now it's straight to the top. That is it. We are going to turn struggling a beauty.
Alright.
Yeah.